Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can now your battery health for Windows 10 or Windows 11. It doesn't make any difference. If you see this helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. First, search for command prompt cmd. Run it as administrator. Just insert this code powercfg space backslash battery report. I put this code in the description of the video. Just enter. Directly it gives us a report and the path for the report. You see the report located in disk C, Windows System 32. Okay, let's find the report. Go to Windows C, disk C, Windows System 32. The report is in here. You can search for the report. Battery. Please don't open it with Notepad. If you open it with Notepad, it's complex and you can't understand. Just select it and right click, then open with Microsoft Edge. Okay. Directly it gives me a report. It says design capacity 45,000, full charge capacity 34,900. Bring calculator. Open calculator. Full charge capacity 34,910 divide by design capacity 45,000 equal to 0.77 multiply 100. That's the health for your battery. That's all. Have a nice time.